Are you in the market for a foldable wireless keyboard that can work with multiple devices at the press of a button? It can work over wireless or Bluetooth. It can connect to your computer, your tablet, or your phone. And then when you're done, you can fold it up, throw it in your backpack, and it's super portable. Well, check this thing out. This foldable keyboard and mouse combo kit was sent to me to test out and to make a video to help you decide whether something like this is right for you or not. This is a completely wireless foldable keyboard and mouse kit. It comes with one wireless folding keyboard, one wireless mouse, a bonus phone stand, cable for charging, and a travel case. This whole kit is designed to be super portable. It's very easy to pack it up, throw it in your backpack, throw it in your suitcase, throw it in your purse, whatever you got. This thing can travel with you. It works over 2.4 gigahertz wireless or Bluetooth, and it's very easy to set up and connect to your devices. Now let me give you a top-down view and we'll take a closer look at this whole kit. So I have the whole kit right here in this travel case that is included. It has a light plastic shell. Got a little bit of give so it can take impacts and dropping. I would not recommend stepping on this, but throw it in your backpack and you'll be good. Now let's take a look at the kit now, and you can lay this out however you want. In this top section, we have the stand. So if you wanted to prop up your phone or tablet, you can do it like that. And it has a few different heights to choose from. Really handy thing to have around. We also have a USB-C cable for charging. Now let's get to the bottom part. On the right, we have the mouse. And this is just like a normal mouse. It's fairly thin. Right and left mouse buttons, scroll wheel. And then we have a DPI button here. So you can switch your DPI on the fly if you wanted to. And on the bottom, we have more controls. We have your on-off switch right here. We have a button here that switches from wireless to your two Bluetooth modes. So if you want to use this using Bluetooth, that's how you use it. If you want to use the wireless, you have to pull the receiver out here. And it's just your normal USB. And that's going to go right into your computer, and then when you're done, you just put it right back in the mouse. Pretty standard mouse, everything you need right there. Now this is the really cool part. This is your keyboard. It folds up nice and small like that, but when you want to use it, fold everything out. Everything snaps into place nicely. As you can see, we have a full keyboard with a number pad. A lot of laptops don't even have the number pad, so this is worth it just for that. In the top right of the number pad, you have your wireless modes, wireless, Bluetooth 1 and Bluetooth 2, so you can switch through everything on the fly. It has your standard hotkeys for Mac and Windows, and you can switch those on the fly if you wanted to. So you can take this from a Windows PC to a Mac PC and have everything you need. This keyboard is really thin. I would guess about a ½ inch there. You have your charging port and your power switch up top. You have some rubber feet on the bottom here, and that's gonna help with this keyboard from sliding around. So while you're typing, the keyboard's not going to go anywhere. And then when you're done, you can fold everything right up, and you can put this in your backpack, or you can pull out the case, slide it in the case, fold everything up, and you're good to go. This keyboard is held shut by some magnets, and these magnets are not strong enough to cause any problems, but they are strong enough to keep this thing from just opening up randomly. So it's a nice balance, easy to open, easy to close, but secure enough to not like mess around. So let me go ahead and get everything out, and we'll connect it to my phone. I am gonna use my phone here. So I'm gonna prop my phone up here, and I have my mouse and keyboard. Let's put it in the middle. Let's be official. Now I've already synced this up, but all you have to do is turn everything on. And I'm gonna turn the mouse on. And since I've already set it up, it auto syncs, but you add it just like any other normal Bluetooth device. As you can see, I have the Bluetooth mouse here, and then the Bluetooth keyboard. But if I didn't have everything, I would put those in searching mode. I would scan, and they would appear at the bottom as available devices. Then I would just tap and pair, just like any other normal Bluetooth device. So they're right there. As you can see, I have Notion up right now, which is actually not a good example because the mouse is black. Let's find something lighter. So as you see on my screen, I have a little mouse pointer that is connected to my Bluetooth mouse. So I can control everything from the mouse. I can even click back. I can click and drag. I can open up another app by clicking. I can go back. I can also use my wheel to navigate through things. It's pretty cool. It's pretty handy. I like it a lot. So that's the mouse. You can also use the keyboard. So let's say I want to leave a really long comment on this video. I can go ahead and do it with the keyboard. This keyboard works with anything you're typing, Mac shortcuts, PC shortcuts, and it even works on your phone. So having the ability to use the keyboard and the mouse on something like my phone or a tablet is really cool. And then when I'm done with everything, fold it back up, turn it off, fold everything up, put it in the case. And then this goes in your backpack and you're good to go. And the last thing I want to do is give you a keyboard sound test. It's about as loud and sounds like your most basic standard keyboard. So I'm gonna put the mic right here and let you hear that. So it's not super loud, it's not super clicky, just your standard basic sounding keyboard. This kit is really cool. I can see a whole bunch of applications for this. The main thing I think would be if you work exclusively on your phone or tablet, having a keyboard and mouse is probably gonna help some of your workflow. But also if you have a computer workstation like set up already and you need to do some work on that computer but from farther away, you can whip this thing out, connect it, and then be able to work on that computer from a distance. Those are just two examples. There are a ton of other things you can do with this. Whatever you wanna do with it, it can probably work for you. So if you're in the market for a completely wireless folding keyboard and mouse kit that is functional, packs up nicely, can be used on all kinds of devices, and is straightforward and easy to use, well, maybe this is for you.